Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Bobby's World. So I'm sorry that I haven't, been posting as much as I would have liked to have been, but right now we have another video, and today is going to be something different. Normally I do like baking stuff, but this time I'm going to be making a balloon garland. So right now I'm just thinking about just putting something together because I'm making my price list. So I need to know how many balloons are going to be in each garland so I can price effectively. So today I'm just going to be making a doorway balloon garland. So it's going to go right in this entryway right here. So let's get started. So I already had this idea already planned in my head. So I just went to the dollar store and just got just like a couple balloons. Now, with the dollar store that I went to, they didn't really have any solid color balloons really. So I just had to get a couple packs of all these little balloons. And I got some confetti balloons. I got some pearl balloons. And just all different colors. So let's start there. So let's put the confetti balloons over there. Pearl balloons. There. And these are just bright balloons. Bright. And then I got different sizes as well. So these are 9 inches. And these are 12. I think these are 12. No, these are 9 inches as well. And then these are 12 inches. So I'm just going to take them out of the pack, separate them. Something else I would just like to add, when you're doing like practice balloon garlands or just like videos for YouTube, I would suggest using a cheaper balloon. That way you can save a lot of money. But I like to get balloons from Party City. They have good balloons, and they also have glow-in-the-dark balloons, which I like, and I actually used those for a balloon garland I did once. And I found some good ones off Amazon as well. So just to save some money, use a cheaper balloon when you're just doing like practice or YouTube videos. Alright, so here are all the balloons separated. The little pile over here, I believe they were 12 inches. Bright balloons. Now, each color, they all had different amounts because this orange only had 4. Meanwhile, these greens is 10 greens. It's 10 green balloons. These are the pearl balloons. As you can see, the pink only got like 4 or 5. But then look at the pile of purple and green and blue. And then here are the 9-inch balloons. So, alright, so I did the math and guess how many balloons we work with. So between the yellow, the pinks, the whites, the blue, the orange, and the green, I have to make sure I'm using a good amount of balloons. So here I'm just wrapping the balloons around each other to make little clusters, and then I'm just gonna add them all together. And then another tip I would say is when you're blowing up your balloons, don't blow them up to full capacity. That way you'll be able to stretch them out, and that's how I'm able to wrap the two balloons around the clusters. So here I just put in some purple balloons at the bottom because it was uneven due to the fact that some colors had more than others. So I just added that purple in, and